you're doing. Today I'm with my booby. Hi! And we are going shoppy and then we'll go sit somewhere to eat because we're both starving. But first, because we're in Chelsea, I wanted to go and check out Designer Exchange. So I'll show you. Oh, there are some little doggies here. So yeah, we'll stop by Designer Exchange. It's their main shoe and clothing store, and then we might go to the other one later on. I have to go to Chanel to pick up something. So yeah, today I'm taking you with us. I hope you enjoy spending the day with us too. And yeah, I'll speak to you in a bit. Let's go check out Designer Exchange. Okay guys, I wanted to show you some of the pieces they have in store. Look, they have Hermes. And the prices are so good as well. So I'll show you some of my favorite pieces. They have Zimmermann. You know that I'm obsessed with Zimmermann. That's nice, isn't it? The colors are so nice. I wonder if this will fit me though. If it's my size, that's more Zimmermann. £200. Okay, these are some of the new in pieces. They have Chanel, Balenciaga, even Dior, and this is quite recent as well, from a recent collection, I think last year's collection. Okay, so these are the pieces that I picked up to try on. We have Chanel, more Chanel, some Dior and Louis Vuitton. So let's try them on quickly.
Hi guys, I'm doing a voiceover because of the background music. I didn't want to get a copyright claim. Anyway, I tried on this Dior very classic bar jacket. It's stunning, a bit big on me. This is a great alternative to the Burberry classic trench. This is Louis Vuitton and the price was great, so I'll link it down below if it's still available.
Okay, I think we have a winner. This fits so nice. It's a bit oversized, but it doesn't look bad. It actually looks nice, and I rolled up the sleeves and the buttons are really nice. Okay, I think some people might be able to pull this off, but it looks way too oversized on me. It is stunning. I wish it was 2 sizes smaller. The detailing is so nice and it's brand new. And these are the buttons. Focus. Look at the buttons, they have little CC. I'm trying to show you. Okay, there we go. Okay, then we have this one. I wish it was a size bigger. It fits, but here in my chest area, if I button it up, it won't look right. And I feel that this color is washing me out a little bit. But it is a beautiful jacket and the buttons are so nice. Okay guys, we finished the designer exchange. Now we're going for food and I reserved 2 items, so I think I might go and pick them up later when we finish shopping and eating. So yeah, now we're going to Bar Concerto next to the Saatchi gallery. We're starving, can't wait. I think I might order carbonara because I'm craving some carbonara bianca as well, so yay! Okay, we're here. Thank you. Can I have a little bit more? Sorry.
Okay, so tell me in which, because you're taking picture, right?
Thank you, yeah, perfect, thanks. Guys, the food is here, I'm gonna dig in. We're both starving and I can't wait for the dessert as well. Oh my god, yum. Bianca ordered the same one. Oh yeah. I literally swallowed this portion for 5 minutes, maybe under 5 minutes. Bianca, I thought you were hungry. Look at my plate, look at hers. I'm stealing some of Bianca's cake. She ordered honey cake and said it's amazing, let's try. Yum. Hi. Okay guys, we're finished at the restaurant. We're so full, we ate a lot. So we are on our way to the other designer exchange because I'm curious to see what bags they have there, because they mainly sell bags, actually only bags and accessories, in the shop in Knightsbridge. So we'll go check them out and then I'll go to Chanel to collect my item that I reserved. So yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the day. Do you guys like my mask? It's DIY. Look at Bianca's jacket, it's really nice. Where did you say you bought it from?
Shine.
Shane?
It's Sheen or Shine.
It's so nice, I really like it. And it has these like golden threads. So cute. Oh, look at this one here on the display. Okay, we arrived at Designer Exchange. Let's go and check out what they have here. Look guys, they have another Gabrielle for 1,800 as far as I can see. I can't see far, but this is the selection of the Chanel bags. This is really nice, I just tried it on. And it's very smooshy and soft leather. I'll try it on now and show you. Guys, look at this Gabrielle, it's brand new, but I just bought a Gabrielle. Otherwise I was gonna get this. It is so nice, perfect condition, like new. And the price is good as well. This will look so nice in the summer with jeans. It's the size I have as well and I love this size. Which one do you like? The black one? The black one on the top. It's 820. It's cute, yeah. I like this cutie here, 450 only. They said they just received this one. It's in a really good condition. They have a bag in 35 in black and 40. This is great for traveling, and I love the suede finish. It's 7,250. Hi. Sloan Street, we're going to. Guys, it started raining. Oh, my jacket, it's wet. Oh no, my Chanel sneakers, we're here. Chanel. Let's get in quickly because it's raining. Oh, look at that car. Oh my god, it's like a beast. Okay guys, here we are. I'll unbox it later. Hi guys, it's been probably a week and a half since I last vlogged with Bianca, and I bought something amazing, so I wanted to sit down and show you what I got from Designer Exchange. It is such a big score. I can't believe I found this bag. I already unboxed it. It arrived yesterday. It is another Chanel bag, and when I show you this and when I tell you the price, you won't believe it. I actually have a screenshot of the price I paid, because I know many people won't believe it when I tell you how much it is. And the condition is like brand new. I actually missed on 2 other bags before this one, and I was so annoyed at myself because I should have bought them. They sell so quick. They post on their stories almost every day. They receive new stock and they post what's new on their stories, plus they upload new items to their website as well, and I just wasn't quick enough. One of the items was a Birkin in a really great condition, in tan, and it was only £4,500, I believe, and someone bought it. Like, I was there thinking, should I buy it, should I not, and someone bought it, and I was like, no. So that was the first one that I missed on, and then they received this amazing Sol Black Cocoa handle. You know how popular the Sol Black Chanel bags are, and the price was only 2,800, and I missed on that one as well, and I was so annoyed. So I've been stalking their website every day, and I'm glad I waited because I found something like you won't believe what I found. Like, it's so good. They currently have some amazing designer clothes and shoes and bags online, so I'll link some of my favorites down below. They have this amazing Chanel skirt for £300. But as I mentioned, currently, like, I'm obsessed. I stalk their website every day and they add new pieces, and I just want to buy everything. But let me unbox this because I know I'm rambling too much and you're just curious to see this. I posted this on my stories yesterday. I didn't show you what it was, but I asked you to guess. No one guessed what this was. Everyone was saying you've got a classic flap, and I know I'm a bit obsessed with Chanel classic flaps. I want it in every single color, but this is not a classic flap. So let's open it up finally and show you. So it came, as you can see, in the original Chanel box with all the paperwork, all certificates, even the stickers on the bag haven't been peeled off, so it's like in a perfect condition. But let me show you. So let's take it out. This is the bag. It came in the Designer Exchange dust bag, so it didn't come with the original Chanel dust bag, but I don't really mind because I have so many, so I don't really need one. This is like the little felt protector. So yeah, everything inside, the paperwork, the tissue paper, the little booklet from Chanel with the cloth is inside. This is the little form you get from Designer Exchange to confirm authenticity, condition of the bag and all that. So let's open it up. Can you guys guess the color and the style? Leave me a comment. Okay, let's open it up. Da, 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 da. Did you guys guess? Did you guys guess? So this is my new Chanel Trendy in this gorgeous blue color. And I have this. This is my first Trendy that I bought. And I did mention that I wanted another one of these. So I can't believe I found this beauty. Like, it's literally brand new. Can you guys see The stickers are here, so I'll peel these off later on because I want to film a little Instagram unboxing, so I'll peel it off after that. But it also has, let's open it up, it has the original certificate. The strap is inside. The stickers here on the inside, they're all here, they haven't been peeled off. This is the inside of the bag. It's in a very smooshy, soft leather. Actually, this leather feels softer than my one. I feel that my leather is a bit thicker. This is much softer and smooshier. So let's put on the strap. So I checked the authenticity card and the serial number, and this bag is from last year's spring collection. And I actually remember seeing this. Oh my god, guys, I have this vlog from my birthday last year, and do you remember I tried this exact color but in the chevron version, and I told you that I wanted this bag. So it was meant to be, I guess. It is so perfect, honestly. This is the strap. I don't know if you guys are aware, but actually Chanel changed up something on all the new changes now. The straps are not removable. You can't actually take these off. So yeah, that's what's new with all the new models. So this is like brand new. Like, there are no scratches, the stickers are here. It's probably being used, but a little bit, very gently, so I'm very happy. And I'm really happy that I have the chevron style now and the quilted style in such beautiful bright jewel colors. I love them so much. And let me tell you the price. Can you guys guess how much I paid for this? 2,800. Like, what? I will insert a little picture because I know many of you probably won't believe it. Like, even I couldn't believe when I saw the price online. Designer exchange prices are amazing, so definitely check them out. You can also sell your own designer goods. So if you want to sell some of your old shoes, bags and clothes, definitely contact them and they'll probably give you a quote, and you can sell very safely with them. They also have a 28-day refund policy, which is great. Even Chanel doesn't have a refund policy. So yeah, this is my new baby. I honestly still can't believe I found this bag. It, I think, currently retails for £4,300. I think these went up in price. I bought this one, my first trendy, last year, and it was £3,950, so they keep going up in price. They're not a classic style, but they might become a classic because they have been doing these for years now, this trendy style, and it's one of their most popular styles. So I'm so glad that I found this baby because I've been wanting to add another trendy to my collection. This is the newest baby to my collection. Let me know what you guys think. I'll try it on so you can see how it looks on me. Definitely check out Designer Exchange. I'll leave links down below. And yeah, my babies. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.